What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So today we are Tuesday, September 30, and if you guys didn't go check out my short, go check it out. We made around 2,145, so I'll show you guys all that good stuff. As of right now, I need 2 more winning days in a row to pass the 150Ks. So I need around 4,000. Right? So hopefully by this end of this week or starting next week, we can have them passed and start printing some money. And for all my new subscribers, thank you guys a lot, means a lot for me. Yeah, let's start. So today we had news at 10. We had a red folder, so we had to be careful for 10. Now, as if you guys seen my short, I was up 2,145 or something. I took another trade. So yeah, pre-macro, I got my profit, and then I took another trade in macro and lost 500, which I was okay losing since I'm on eval, doesn't matter. But yeah, to be honest, I should have just hopped off, right? But yeah, no, it doesn't matter. I still need. So as of right now, if you guys look here, so it's like 155, 100. So we need 159,000 minus 155,100. So yeah, we need around 2 other good trades and we can win. And then if we lose, we have to readjust. Honestly, I could tomorrow just risk 2,000 for a 1 to 2 and pass the account. And so let's say tomorrow I win. If I risk 2,000 for 4,000, I can just straight up win and have the account passed, all of them. But I will stick to my plan, right? So we'll risk what we're supposed to risk and call it a day. So yeah, hopefully by end of this week, everything is passed. Let's start. Alright. So let's go on the 1 hour chart. We had London low right there, Asia high, London high, Asia low, previous day low. Yep, previous day low, previous day high right there. Now, what can we see on the higher time frame? For example, on the 4 hour, well, Monday, all right, we filled those fair value gaps. Now we're going down. Here we have a 4 hour fair value gap. On the 1 hour, are we respecting this bearish 1 hour? Yes, all right. So most likely today, because remember this, let's go back into replay. So most likely today is gonna go sweep something, either this zone or this zone, and then start going up, right? So as of right now, I'm looking more bearish. 15 minutes. Do I see anything interesting that I need to mark? I can see some sell sides, but I'll just leave it at that for now. All right, let's go 1 minute. And let's fast forward to market open. So let me just... Beautiful. So market open, what can I see? Well, at 9:30 market open, we went all the way down to Asia low and then closed above. Perfect. So as of right now, we technically swept Asia low, but we don't know yet. We need to displace either higher or lower to know, are we in a continuation? So are we gonna go lower, or are we gonna reverse, right? So now we're waiting. With this candle, now I was pretty confident we're gonna go lower. And with my context and everything, it does make sense for my bearish bias. So right now I'm just waiting for a 1 minute fair value gap setup to form and price to come back into it so I can take a trade. As of right now, we have this 1 minute. Then 9:33 price pushed more down, so we're still waiting. Right there we created another 1 minute fair value gap setup, so I marked it. Now if price came to this zone, which is London low, and then closed, so let me show you guys. So let's say London low was like that, right? If price came and the body of the candle closed above, then this I would have waited for this fair value gap, because now we don't know if we're gonna start reversing or keep going down, right? But as of right now, I didn't touch it, so my trade setup can still play out. And of course, nothing is perfect. I could take an L, it's part of the game, right? Anyway, as soon as 9:36 hit, I entered the trade. If I remember, I entered 60 for 120, which is 15 point, if I remember. Yeah, 15 point, beautiful. 1 to 2, and I mean legit 2-3 minutes later, full TP. Beautiful trade, made sense. Price came back. Here, let me show you guys. Market open. So what's most likely is gonna happen? Well, price is gonna come back into this zone and then go lower. It's as simple as that. So that's what happened here, and then we went down all the way to this London low. Let's see what happened next. I actually forgot. Yeah, so after that, let's say if your 1 to 2 was further, or for whatever reason you're aiming for more, you just have to be careful. 9:37, we close like that. Already you need to think, all right, what's gonna happen next? Do we have another sell side, for example? Not really. We don't have anything else. So really here was the only TP to take and then call it a day. What else can I see? Seems like afterward. Oh yeah, I'll show you guys the other trade that I took. Yeah. So what happened next? Here I got my full TP. Was done with the day. Then I went to check on my profit, and I only needed 2.5 to pass. I only needed $2,500 to pass the account, right? Now I wasn't gonna trade the full amount to pass it today, but I was like, all right, might as well risk 5 and 5 for 1K, so tomorrow I can just take it easy and pass the account by tomorrow. So you see guys, I'm experienced, I have a lot of payout and stuff, and I still do dumb mistakes, but it's okay. It's not a real account, so I didn't really care. That's why I took only 500 as a trade. Anyway, once we start reversing right there, but I should have known. What do we like? What I like is when price sweeps correctly and then go up, not candles like that. So when it did like that, I should have just instantly removed this zone and just bang, placed sell side like that. But I didn't, and then we had this fair value gap, this fair value gap. Now you guys can already see what happened. I removed this line too. So I was like, all right, price came back into here, respecting this fair value gap, because when they're stacked, we need to know which one is good. From there, I took a trade and got stopped out instantly, basically. Now, could have been avoided 100%. And if I didn't take my trade pre-macro, I could have 100% took an L. Unless I was a little bit more focused. For example, here, this long fair value gap, we were hitting Asia low, so I should have just waited to see, are we gonna go through Asia low again, or, you know. But yeah, like I said, I've been backtesting, guys, and I've seen that pre-macro, there's a lot of trade. So as soon as market open, just check, are we reversal continuation? If there's a setup, take it. I'm not saying take it. Go do your backtesting, go get data, but yeah, that's what I noticed. So yeah, as of right now, Monday we won, today we won. So yeah, it's looking pretty nice. Right now we are in October as of tomorrow. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty much excited to pass the account soon, and then we're gonna start making a lot of money. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this recap, you guys already know what to do. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys tomorrow.